Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be making the part 2 of the web dev application in the Rust programming language. So in the previous video I have shown you that how you can create some pages and how you can access them in the browser, but in this video I'm going to be showing you that how you can create the templates and use those templates in the pages so that you can show them in the browser. So let's go to the screen and I will show you there. So as you can see here that in the previous video I have written these code of 2 pages. The first one was the index and the second one was the info. So in this video what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a template, right? So that going to be an HTML template and that I will be using in these 2 pages, right? So let's take a look at them. Let's first of all write explore, in which I will be going to the cargo toml file, and inside this I will write a dependency that is the lazy static, right? So that will help me to return the templates, right? So write some templates here, 1.5.0. So yeah, this is the template version, dependency version. Now I have done it. The next step is to go to the source main.rs, and now what I need to do, I need to use this crat use lazy static and then lazy static, right? So now the next step is to write lazy static, and inside this what I will write pub static reference, and that is going to be templates, and I'm going to be using the template engine Terra, that is going to be equal to, let's say, let's source, and inside the source I will give the source path, that is the templates. So the templates I'm going to be creating, but first of all I need to give the path here. So yeah, this is the template path. The next step is to write the Terra is equal to what you can say, Terra new source unwrap, right? So this will unwrap the Terra source file and it will be used there. And after that what I need to do, let's write the Terra here to import it, to return this. Yeah, so now the next step that I'm going to do is to use this lazy static templates here inside these files. So the first step that I'm going to do is to write the page content. So let's write the page content that is going to be of different pages, like index page or info page. So let's write page content, and inside this what I will do, I will write templates render, and inside this I will write index.html, and after that write the context of that index.html. So unwrap, right? So what does it mean? That basically first of all I have written the page content and that is going to be the index, and after that I will give the context of that page, that is going to be the lazy static. So let's take a look at the that is going to be the using the Terra template engine. So context is equal to Terra, so that is the template engine that will be used as a context new, right? So this page will basically take this Terra template context, and after that it will unwrap it, and once it is unwrapped I will use this page content inside this body. So page content inside this body, right? I hope you understood. So similar steps will be applied here. First of all, let me write this context Terra context new, and then the page content is equal to, let's say, templates render, and inside this render what I will do this time is going to be info.html, and then the context, and then unwrap it, right? So yeah, this is going to be about. Now let's write the page content here. Okay, so now this is done. So the next step that I'm going to do is to create these templates. Inside this I will create HTML file. So there is a templates for directory missing. So what I will do, I will go to this explore back and create a templates directory, and inside this directory what I will write, I will create two files. The first one is index.html. The second one, let's write what you can say. The second one is going to be info.html, right? So let's write this. Sorry. Now let's go to the index.html. So the first step that I'm going to do is to write the doc type here. Doc type HTML, and inside this I will write HTML. Close this. After that let's write the head. And inside this head I will write the title. Let's say this is going to be the index. So let's write what you can say, index, right? The next step is to write body. So let's write body. So this is the closing tag of the body. So what I will do here, I will create the heading 1. Inside this heading 1, what I will do, I will write this is the index page. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this page. And if I copy this, and similarly if I copy this, let's say I copy it again, and now what I need to do, I need to save this, right? So once this is saved, I will go to the info section and paste the data. So sorry about that, it took some there is an error that I need to first of all copy this, right? Once this is copied, let's write this and explore this info file, paste it down here. So now this is time it is going to be not the index page, instead it is going to be an info page, right? So this is the info page. Yeah, so I think that it is pretty much about it. So let's go to the terminal, and this is running. I have run this cargo run. You will see that it is not giving me any kind of error. So let's go to the screen, and if I refresh this page, I think it is this sign needs to be removed. Okay, I think based on this sign it is giving me an error. So let's write remove this sign, and let's explore to the info page. Maybe this time it should work. Okay, so let's clear this, explore again, go back and write the index.html. Yeah, this is working fine. Previously just was the simple mistake that I made, but now this is working fine. Info, this is the header, and this is the index page. Okay, so yeah, it is working perfectly. Okay, so for now I have just written these two files in order to show you that how you can access them in the templates. But in the upcoming video, what I will do, I will create the layout.html file in which all of the common syntax or all of the common code that is written here, like the head, body, I will remove it, and instead there will just be the title changed according to each file, and the body changed according to each file, and all of these things will be removed and they will be kept in one file, that is the layout.html file. And after that I will also apply the styles. So for now that's it. And if you want to get the further code, and I have written all the code here in advance, you can check this out, but I'm going to show you the whole process of it, right? So I will give this link, you can take a look at them. This is the assets target templates file. in which I have written some of these files. So yeah, you can take a look at them, you can read about them, and I will be showing you the whole process of it one by one. So yeah, I hope you like this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.